Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Stellar has broken down a rising wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. And I was also showing you a quite long-term uptrend line support that RSI found on this 4-hour time frame chart. And this support was coming from here, from 1st of November. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. This was another bounce, and this was another bounce. And I was telling you that if the price line, if the RSI breaks down this support, this uptrend line support that was coming from 1st of November, a quite long-term uptrend line support, and this 50 level of RSI value, then there will be a very high probability that it may move more down to enter or visit the oversold zone, and the price then can follow this action of RSI, and it can also break down the support of the wedge. And you can see that so far it has dropped up to approximately 47 cents. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown that I was telling you was here at the bottom of the bed. That is approximately at 41 cents. And by the way, at 40 cents, we have a quite long-term support. And this 40 cents is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that on this 4-hour time frame chart, we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern. But now, while the price is moving to the downside on a 2-hour time frame chart, by the way, this new move is more visible. That Stellar has form another falling wedge pattern. You can see that we got stable rejections here, we got rejection here, and stable rejections here. And here we have found this downtrend line support as well. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this was another bounce. And now the movement is getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, by the way, this is the bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there are more chances that the price line may break it out, and we may not touch this target to the downside approximately at 41 cents for the breakdown from this rising wedge pattern. And the price line may start another reversal move from here in case of breaking out this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very huge breakout that is happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price has turned very strong bullish, parabolic bullish. You can see that previously it was moving inside this up channel, and after the breakout from this channel, it has turned even more bullish. And before that, I've been also showing you this wedge on the daily time frame chart and the symmetrical triangle as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal once again that I shared back on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And that was a very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal gardler pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. And that was a very long-term trade signal. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for YGG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 18th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me just show you this long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared with my members on 29th of May 2022. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal gardler pattern that XLM formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see that when I shared this signal at that time, the price was moving at 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that it has turned very strong bullish, and so far it has rallied more than 400%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Stellar, and first of all, let me show you the 2-hour time frame chart. Even this new wedge is also visible on the 4-hour time frame chart. Let me show you on the 4-hour. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this wedge, and I was telling you that this is the bullish bias pattern, and after the breakout we can expect that soon it can hit the target here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 63 cents, and you can see that it was very close to hit that target. But while moving to the upside and forming higher highs and higher lows, it formed this rising wedge pattern. That was a bearish bias move, and eventually the price then broke down the support of the wedge, and RSI, even on the 4-hour time frame chart, also broke down this very long-term uptrend line support as well that was found here on 1st of November 2024. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, and this was another bounce, another bounce, another bounce, and this was the last bounce that was happening here on 2nd of December, even here on 3rd of December 2024. And after that, the price and the RSI broke down this uptrend line support and this 50 level value of RSI as well. Therefore, now there is a probability that soon it may enter the oversold zone as well. So far, it has dropped up to 38.32, and when it will move down to 30, then it will be oversold. And it is also possible that while it will be moving down and it will visit the oversold zone, the price then may move here sideways above this support of 44 cents. And this is, by the way, a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout. And even after the breakout, there can be a probability that we may see some price accumulation after the breakout, and then the price then start another move to the outside. By the way, if the price then breaks down this wedge, then in case of breaking down the technical target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at 35.5 cents. And if the price then reaches there, then we can also lost this long-term support of 40 cents as well. And in case of breaking out this wedge, the technical target to the outside will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 60 cents. And after that, the price then can also finally hit the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern as well. And that target is here approximately at 63.7 cents. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern for the past several months. Even for the past 2 years, I have been showing you this wedge. And I've been telling you that once the price then will be able to break out this wedge, then long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that the price then is about to hit that target as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.